Let's create a consumption rule in software asset management. Come into software asset workspace. We'll go down to license operations. We'll go to the consumption rules first, just to show you kind of where it would be. So you would come in here, create new. We'll go into a recently created one, but all you do is basically specify what attribute you want to use to reference. So the idea would be the company value on the CI where the software is installed would be the same as the consumption rule. Same would go for the cost center, department, country, or region. You'd be able to select. So you have to make sure that value is also present on the CI that you're looking to manage. So from here, we have two that we wanted to look at. We have EMEA, and then we have North America that have been created. So what we'll do is we'll come into our entitlement. For us, we'll look at WinZip. And we can see here that we purchased 50 total licenses and their license per device. And we'll go over to the entitlement consumption tab. And we can see here that those two consumption rules are referenced. So what you would do is create new. You would select the consumption rule that you just had. And then all you do is just double click on the license pool or just go into it and actually specify the amount of licenses of the 50 that you would want to allocate to that particular region, company, location, or cost center department. So that's all you would do, and then you run reconciliation. And as far as how you'd be able to interpret it, you'd be able to go into, again, Cascade WinZip. We can see its compliance because we own 50 and that license required is 45. But when you go ahead and actually select into that 45 and go to the consumption results tab, this is where you can kind of see that breakdown. So we can see, oh, in North America, there's 40 licenses allocated and 42 are consumed. And then same thing for EMEA. We can see that, the license pool is 10 and that only 3 of the 10 are actually in use.